Oh, it's about to light. Whoa! Yo! Woo! It's okay, gal.
Hey,
I got you.
hey, hey, we're gonna carry
Ha ha ha! Let's get lit. All right, round 2. Let's go. Do it, boy. You got faith, bro. Oh yeah.
Yo,
Someone get a ladder. Landon, who's got the ladder?
hey, slide on up, T-Pain.
Fire in the hole. There's a golf cart, Paul. Come on, this is Alabama, Paul.
Hey,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
y'all about to sit out there and watch them? Yeah. Come on.
Oh yeah. Come join us. We are the Samson Club. We are a hunting club called Samson Hunting Club. Yeah.
What's wrong? I got it.
Light it, Paul. Come on. Light that thing, Paul.
I might have my little weight on.
You ready, Bobby?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! I'm born in the USA. Born in the USA. Back up, Colt. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah, Papa. Woo! All right, next fireworks here. Hey. Watch. Woo! Woo! Better run your guts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, second firework. Woo!
Fireworks.
Who's gonna light the next firework? Oh. Come on. Hey, y'all kiss. Y'all kiss. Hey, when the boop. Kid. Yo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fast reaction.
Like, down.
Run.
You got it? Yes, I do.
Come on, just slide it, man.
He about to bring one and one, two, one and other two.
Come on, just slide it.
Landon!
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 Landon! You got a ladder? Oh, all right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Slide it.
Wait.
Oh yeah, cute couple right there, Papa.
Oh my God, we can't go.
Man.
Ain't no way you can't get out.
All right, I'll move over. Y'all good. All right, twins. All right. Oh! Ain't no way they didn't lie.
You must call that fake.
I don't know.
Hey, Robin, back away.
We're not going to ruin this show, all right?
Robin, I'm helping you because I have the phone, all right?
All right.
I have Bobby's phone. Hey. Ew.
Give me a sparkle.
What's wrong? Bruh, what is wrong with the fireworks, bro? Ooh.
Yeah.
Ain't this it?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, Lord.
Lord.
that might be a bad sign with that box.
Guess what? I think the box is fake. Sorry to break it to you, the box is fake.
Watch out, son.
Dang! Ah! Help! 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 Woo! All of y'all. Yeah! Fireworks are the best, Papa. Woo! Woo! God, that was the best firework I ever seen.
Hey. Hey. Daddy.
Daddy,
As soon as that thing hit me.
watch Colton, aka Uncle Colton's Sam, do his work.
Hey, I seen a wedding the other day.
Hey, no.
Small ones, and they were doing their dance, and they were holding the ball.
Hey.
Yeah, I said that.
No. Wait, let's get these daddies. Oh, man. Give me some. No. Hey. Give me some. Give me some.
Yo,
No, I'm going to take it. Hey.
Peyton Colton, there about to be another fireworks.
Yo, you took some pot.
Watch, Peyton, watch. About to be blast. Colton, Peyton, get away. There's fireworks. Woo! Fireworks show, boy. Woo! Ha 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 ha! Yeah. Hey, is that all the fireworks?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do nothing. See what?
it out, Cole.
That's it.
Hold it up straight.
Hold it up straight. Hold it up high, Colt. Oh. Died out. Died out.
Just hold it straight out. There you go. See?
See, Peyton? You're doing it right.
Your mama's got him.
Died out. All right. Died out.
Who's got no lighter? I don't need that one.
Hold it up high, Colton.
Hey, where's the other lighter at? Oh.
Can y'all get lion on this?
You ready?
Hold it up, Cole.
Hold it up, buddy. Got to. Look at this dude. Ha! Hold it up high, Colton. Bruh, I think died out. Died out.
Hold on, dog. Give me a second. Know when to hit the stick. Oh, I'm ready.
Woo! Boom! Woo! Boom! Boom! I ran off Fireworks. Powerful. Cars coming. Cars coming alert. Cars coming alert. Drive slowly. Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Walk away. Hey! Hold it straight up, girl.
Hey,
Come back.
we got how many left? Do 2 or 3.
It should have 10 shots in it.
Good job, guys.
Hold it up high.
Hold it that way, buddy.
Yeah.
We're going to have to make sure he holds it out.
Watch out.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you
Watch
doing?
out, Bobby.
He's about to shoot that thing right there.
Cole, back up a little bit.
Shoot it. Hold it in the air like this, Alan.
Okay.
Hold it up.
Watch me, yo. Oh! Yeah. Thank you. You're doing a lot of these Roman candles. Yee-hee-hee! Oh look, there's other fireworks over there popping. Other fireworks over there popping. You can do this, Colton. Keep it up. Hold it up, Colt. You can do this. Yeah.
Give me one of these candles. I'm sure that every one of y'all while y'all sit there. Well, I can shoot at 'em. Hey! Don't light it up, Brandy. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna shoot y'all.
out of 10, Papa.
Hey, I shot it at the ground, Robin.
Yo, that's crazy.
Hey, I shot it at the ground.
Yeah, Papa. Slow.
Are they turning in here?
Come on. All right, nah. You good? You good? Wait, what's that fire right there? Why is it not?
Oh, that's still lit.
Yeah, we're gonna light it up like this.
No, it's gotta get a. It's still lit. Yeah, get a water hose.
Watch out. Oh my God. Somebody get a hose now. Get a hose now. Get a hose. Cars, move fast. Move fast. Move fast. Oh! You're gonna hurt your foot, man. You're gonna burn the road, man. Oh my God. You're gonna start a wildfire at this point.
Now I'm trying to put it out. That's what
Stomp it with your own feet, bro.
That's what I'm trying to do.
I'm not helping you because, hey, Colton's got the crackers. Colton's got the crackers. Crackers to the rescue.
Alright.
Bro. Hey, yeah, hey, he don't got no feet, bro.
That's good.
Oh, woo, woo. Watch out, Scoot. What's up, Nate? Yeah! King Colton! Woo! You are the American Colton. Woo! Oh yeah, powerful. Get it now, powerful. Oh yeah, wow.
Brian, here you go. Brandon.
Yo, that is a lot one, Papa.
Who got the thing?
Yeah, Paul. Hey.
Don't be trying to light that bulb. Don't get from over there.
Nope. Exchange.
And they trying to light it again.
Hey, Mama, how's your ladder going?
Sandy, y'all like having bonfires and stuff?
Hey, Sandy, how's the fireworks show, Paul?
I love it, pal.
I'm recording the whole show. I'm posting it on YouTube too.
Ooh, I get to go on YouTube.
Yeah.
Honey, yeah, right this time.
We are all the winners. America's the winner. I love fireworks and all that, Paul.
Now, fall is my most favorite time. That is my favorite.
Hey, Colton, Carly just rejoined the show. All right. What are you doing? Bruh. What are y'all doing? Trying to light them fireworks, aren't you, Paul? Oh, yeah, sure thing, boy. My boy. Yeah. Boom.
I'm having my own camp.
Your own cat. That's a great idea. That's a great imagination, Colt. Why y'all lighting them three together? You know that's gonna destroy the fireworks, bro. What are y'all doing?
I might break it. You need it? No, you ain't got time.
Just where they close. Them two is close. If I like the one that.
Hold on. Put the light back.
Or I could light. Yeah.
Hold on.
Hold that pop.
Oh, you got that.
Alright.
Hold on. No, just how you got to place it.
Hey, we about to do that America Hell Yeah firework. Colton, no. Colton.
There you go, right there.
Alright,
Got him.
Uh-huh.
Here.
Hey, let's get away from him.
Here. Hold on. Like that.
Wrong game.
All right. Light it.
There ain't nothing in it, Bubba.
Huh?
There ain't nothing in it.
Oh, bring me a good one, Paul.
I just broke it.
Hey, there ain't no good thing
I
in the
think I'm
water.
good, Bobby. Let me hold that light.
Thanks.
Yeah, like, just boom.
Come on. Ah.
Ah, dang.
Alright, hold on. Alright, watch this, Bubba. You ready?
Yeah. Hell yeah. Heck yeah. About to do that America Hell Yeah firework.
On top where the tubes fall now.
No, I'm just trying. Yeah, do that one.
Oh! 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 That was a big one. That was a big one, Papa. Wait, that what? It says America Hell Yeah firework has 24 shots. Oh,
We already did that.
that's the name of the firework. It's the name of the firework.
Hey, I kept wondering what he was talking about. Hey.
Yeah.
He said they about to do it. They about to do that American HCS firework. And I just thought about it. We done done that one. We already letting two.
Yeah, pa. Alright, y'all. I'm not gonna be participating in the last few parts. Alright. Colton, don't you even think about spraying me.
Robert, I got burnt by something.
Yeah, well, it's okay. You're fine. Hope you don't get no burns or nothing.